Pro BMX 36 for the third time. What I added to my bike, I have Haro grips. Haro right there. They're kind of cut, so I put these on for now. I have just a regular PVC pipe brake, black brake cable, regular standard bike brakes, silver chain, Odyssey cranks, PVC pedal, nice spin to it, GT stem, Free Agent fork, Mongoose rims, Canada tires, Free Agent frame, Odyssey handlebars, Free Agent seat, Free Agent red rim, black Cover tire, pretty nice. Same on that side. I got these little mini pegs that I made to protect when I grind on the small alleys, like so I don't hit my rims, like bend the rims, because I only have 3 over there, 3 over there, and I have on the other side 3 Agent pegs. You can tell I've already grinded on this one by the bottom, but you can see that right now. So I have 2 of those, but I have 2 more. What else is on my bike? A Mongoose post tightener, whatever that is called. Yeah, that's my bike check.